woman can build her own marriage with her own hands and destroy her own marriage. You understand? We learned a lesson from Skim Sam. Look at Mapiti. Guys, don't expect that when you are divorcing with your man, you understand? You are expecting that boyfriend you are cheating with, he is going to marry you or love you. No, he doesn't want you anymore because you are divorcing your husband. And those boys, they know that once you are divorcing with your man, he is going to take all the responsibility that your man, because your man, he takes good care of you, buying groceries at end of the month, doing everything. So that person, he doesn't want you anymore because he knows that he is going to take those responsibilities that your man, you understand, he is taking good care of you. Guys, most of the time, let's respect our marriages. Let's respect our men, and especially respect a person who is doing everything to you. At the end of the month, guys, it's difficult to find a man who loves you, who is doing everything to you. Like Mapiti, you understand? Look at Tubos. He is doing everything to Mapiti, but now, guys,